Hello, good evening. My name is Gisela Salinas Herrera. My opinion. I really do not agree that restaurants keep the taste only in the arm until juice and dessert. To be considered the tofu, the taste must be integrated into a five way. Like all customer service is not easy. Have patience and do test well to be and to work well the customer. That's my opinion on this topic. Bye bye.